A montage of Mahindra Car's 2025 model driving through various terrains, city, highway, off-road. Welcome my channel Touch Review. Review of the Mahindra Car's 2025 model. This year, Mahindra has outdone themselves with a lineup that combines ruggedness, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. The 2025 model boasts a spacious and luxurious interior with premium materials. The infotainment system is intuitive and comes with a large touchscreen. Safety features are top-notch, including advanced driver assistance systems like lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. Car accelerating, cornering, and off-road driving. Under the hood, the 2025 model offers a range of powerful engine options to suit different driving styles. The suspension is tuned for both comfort and handling, making it a pleasure to drive on any road. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a weekend adventure, this car has got you covered. The design of the 2025 model is a blend of elegance and ruggedness. The bold lines and muscular stance give it a commanding presence on the road. The LED headlights and taillights add a touch of modernity. One of the unique selling points of the 2025 model is its off-road capabilities. With features like four-wheel drive, high ground clearance, and low-range gearing, it's ready to tackle any terrain. Additionally, Mahindra's commitment to durability and reliability ensures that this car will stand the test of time. A final montage of the car driving through scenic locations. The Mahindra Car's 2025 model is a well-rounded vehicle that offers something for everyone. Whether you're looking for a comfortable family sedan, a capable SUV, or a rugged off-roader, this car has it all. Thank you for watching.